windy today, but not a problem because I do have a really powerful drone, Autel Evo 2 Pro, here with me. So I have full confidence that it can fly. So let's first fly together and explore what features this drone has. So it says ready to go. Let's go! It's so windy!
At the bottom of the app, you have the full control of the camera. Most of my footages will be at 6K resolution, but at 4K resolution, you can enjoy HDR video. And you can enjoy 4 times lossless in-camera zoom, but there is an option to go all the way to 8 times zoom. Inside the app, what I really liked is the control of the battery warning level, and the drone did not give out the crazy warning sound even at a low battery level. In the app, you can change the transmission channel, go home altitude, and start compass calibration. Very usual stuff. And don't forget to try out the 120 frames per second at 2.7K resolution for some action. And these seagulls were not interested in the drone, but the fish in the truck below. And for landing, I found it really helpful to have huge landing gears on the drone. My third flight of the second battery, I still had about 9 minutes to go, and it allowed me to fly one more time. I tried out one of their many intelligent modes. The viewpoint allowed me to select a target, go in the smooth straight line at different speeds as I wish. Another intelligent mode that I had attempted was dynamic track, basically an active track. The app and the drone was very good at detecting different and multiple subjects. However, it seemed like the drone was a little far from me to try the dynamic track, or I was a bit too camouflaged to the road. I'll review all the intelligent modes in another video very soon. And I want to check out the performance of the obstacle avoidance. But actually,
even the Autel Evo 2 Pro has 360-degree obstacle avoidance. In this kind of scenario, I want to turn it off.
But don't worry, the visual radar map is still on, so you can see the precise distance of the obstacle from the drone. So we can still fly safe and get some really interesting shots.
So I had absolutely fun morning with Autel Evo 2. Today is actually really windy here, and I did not get a single wind warning signal. And okay, even though it's pretty big, a little on the heavy side than I would like, but because I'm more like a traveler rather than like professional user, I can really see as a professional it's so stable, as well as the remote control that has a really big LCD screen and it connects instantly, and I think it literally takes about 1 second to connect up. So as you guys know, I haven't actually explored every single function, so I need a bit more time with this drone. So you will certainly see some other reviews of this drone in this channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!